And for this section, I'm curious to explore what it might mean to crash the water against the rocks. Is there something in your life that might represent the rocks? Is there something in your life that maybe you wish you could crash on in a metaphor? This is the opportunity to imagine that you're the water and you are coming to shore. Whatever's within you, whatever you're feeling, this is an opportunity to imagine that you're the water running over the rocks. And what does that mean for you in your daily life? Take a big deep breath in, big exhale.